Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. I hope all of you are fine and having good health. In our today's topic, we will talk about the solutions of gases. As we have already learned, the solution basically it is a mixture of two or more components. When two or more substances are going to be combined, then they will form the solutions, and their solution or mixture must be homogeneous. So at that point, it will be called as the solution. And here we have basically the three types of solutions of gases, liquids, and solids. So in this lecture, we will study about the solutions of gases. When we talk about the solutions of gases, here we have its three forms: the solution of gas into gas, and both the solute and solvent are in the gas form. And the second form, we have gas in liquid. So here the solute will be in the gas form and the solvent will be in the liquid form. On the other hand, we have its third form, which is the gas into solid form. So when gas get dissolved in the solids, that solution we called as gas into solid, and here the solute will be gas and the solid will be the solvent. So let's have a look on one by one its three forms. The number one, we have gas into gas. When we are going to study about the solutions of the gases, so in the three forms, the solute will be in the gas phase, and the solvent will be changes gas, liquid, as well as solid. So when we are going to talk about gas into gas solution, here both we have the solute, it is in the gas phase, and the solvent, it is also in the form of gas phase. So as both the solute and solvent are in the gas phase. What is the best example for this? The example, we can also take it from our daily life. For example, air. It is the simple mixture of gases. Now, what type of gases are present in the air? We have a lot of gases. Likewise, we have nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, and etc. other rare gases. So in solutions, air basically it is a mixture and it is a homogeneous mixtures of gases, and it is having nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, etc. So it is the example of gas into gas solution. Another example we have for this, it is when we have the balloons and we added mixture of hydrogen and helium gases in the weather balloons. So in the weather balloons, we have the mixture of gases. The third one example for the mixture of gas into gas we have, it is the solution of nitrogen and oxygen that is present in the cylinders of respiration. So they contain the two gases and it is mainly the mixture of gases. Okay, next we have the second type of solution, that is gas into liquid solution. So here we have both the solute and we have the solvent, and the solute will be gas and the solvent will be in the liquid state. So the simple one example for this we have, it is the oxygen in water. This is the first one example, and the second example we have when the carbon dioxide is dissolved in water, or the very true example from our daily life, it is the carbonated drinks. In carbonated drinks, the carbon dioxide get dissolved in the drinks by increasing or by at high pressure. Carbon dioxide get dissolved in the drinks, and these carbonated drinks are a very simple example of gas into the liquid solutions. On the other hand, the third form of the solution we have, it is the gas in solid solution. So this is the solution in which the solute will be in the gas phase and the solvent, it will be in the solid state. And the example for this solution we have hydrogen gas that get absorbed on the surface of the palladium. And here the palladium, this is the picture of the palladium, and basically palladium, it is the metal and it is in the solid state. So when hydrogen gas get dissolved on its surface, this process basically is known as the hydrogenation. And when we are going to have the vegetable oil, and it's going to be converted into the vegetable ghee by the process known as hydrogenation. And the process of hydrogenation, we use the addition of the hydrogen gas, and we use the platinum or palladium as a catalyst to increase the rate of the reaction. And now this hydrogen gas get absorbed on the surface of the palladium. So this solution we can call it as gas into solid solution. So this is a very simple example for this gas into solid solution. And this is all about the today's lecture. I hope you guys understand. And if you have any queries, you may ask me about that in the comment section. And the next topic that we will discuss, it is a second type of solutions, that is solutions of liquids. For that time, have a good day and Allah Hafiz.